When you finally decide to replace your old windows and doors, you want assurances that the installation goes off without a hitch. That's why at Northville Lumber's Novi Home Design Center, we employ our own installation crews. And because they work for us, we guarantee their workmanship. You can rest easy from the beginning of your window and door installation to when the last strip of molding is installed and the last piece of trim is fitted into place.
Well, you want to make sure the windows are going to go in there and be as tight to the rough opening as you can. You want them to look like they came with the home. And that's key. When we do a job and it's done properly, if you drive by that house, everything is clean and crisp and beautiful. We don't change the curb appeal or, the architectural design of that home.
Sometimes during installation, a hidden structural problem is revealed. If this were to happen at your home, our crews have the experience and the building resources of Northville Lumber to take care of any issues without disrupting the installation schedule.
If that jack stud is bad, if the rough sill is bad, which is your framing, we change it as a matter of course. We do not go back to the homeowner and say, we've got this issue, it's going to be another $300. We just do it. Now, we have the ability, if we take it out and the rough framing is bad, it's rotted, and we have to pull drywall and reframe, we have the ability to do it. We don't have to go somewhere else to have it done. And when we do something like that, and I've got probably 5 to 10 instances where what we charged the homeowner was basically our time. It wasn't something we were trying to make money on. We were just trying to give them a service. Another kind of a sidebar to this, we do an 18-month labor warranty on our stuff.
Every day when our crews arrive on the job, they prepare your home to protect your floors and carpet from foot traffic. If we work around furniture, fixtures, and appliances, we protect them too. At the end of each workday, we clean up and take away the trash so you can have your home back.
And we clean up, we finish, haul away, and then the next day we start fresh. For instance, if it was your home and you had to go away for the day, if you came home, our guys had just left, your house would look like it was when you left in the morning. And your evening, your normal lifestyle in your home, it's very unobtrusive compared to other home improvement jobs.
Northville Lumber's Novi Home Design Center is all about quality products and professional service. We have installed windows and doors for more than 20 years, and there is a simple reason why we have thousands of satisfied customers.
We tell you what we're going to do, and we deliver. We show up on time, and it's very simple. If we say we're going to do something, we do it, and we do it very, very beautifully. We do it, we stick to our word. There's no, BS. There's no dancing around. And I leave my customers with this notion when I'm in the process of selling, and it's from my heart, but if we do business, we'll stay friends. And I mean that.